Talent show. Talent show. Fiction. Charades, pwede.
Painting.
What could this be?
Talent show.
May red backdrop pa eh.
Hanggang sa muling pinatawag ni Kuya ang house guest na si Mavi para ibigay ang isang task letter na may kinalaman sa pagbabahagi ng housemates.
Ang magbabasa po nito is yung pinaka matanda sa atin na housemates. Ang ate natin.
Ikaw na to.
Ate Kla.
Ate Kla.
Ate Kla. Alright.
Thank you so much. Thank you. With an average score. Okay. Housemates. Lahat kayo ay bahagi ng isang industriya at bida ng inyong sariling mga kwento. Kung makita ninyo ang inyong poster na nakapaskil sa entablado, ito ang inyong hudyat upang magbahagi. Nais kong marinig ang kwento kung bakit at paano kayo naging artista. At ano ang nagtulak sa inyo para maabot ang inyong mga propesyon. Good luck, Big Brother. Okay, housemates, all of you are part of this industry. And you're all the main cast of your own story. If you see, subscribe for more. Click here. If you see your poster posted here, it's time. It's time for you to talk and advise and perform with all your heart as much as possible. Gets niyo ba?
Yes!
Okay. Okay na yun.
Thank you, Ate Kla.
Bilang host at bahagi ng kanyang task, si Mavi ang maglalagay ng movie poster ng housemate na magbabahagi sa entablado. Pwede rin siyang magtanong tungkol sa naging pagbabahagi ng bawat housemate. Unang nagbahagi ng kanyang kwento, si Michael.
I started showbiz not because I wanted it growing up. Actually, nagsimula lang to kasi si Papa, fun fact, nag-audition siya for PBB Season 2. And from then, he couldn't continue his dreams of auditioning because my lolo, his father, was sick at the time. So he chose to prioritize, of course, our lolo. So parang hindi niya natuloy yun. One time, this was 2020, there was an audition online for PBB Connect. Sabi niya, Toy, try mo, audition ka. Ginawa ko to ng bata ko, trip lang. Until eventually sa kwarto ko, bored ako kasi pandemic pa nun. Sabi ko, sige na nga, I'll try it. And then the following night, may nag-text na, oh, you made it past, blah, blah, blah. So I made progress, and then hindi natuloy. There was another audition, and sabi ko, okay, I'll audition ulit. This was for PBB Teens. Hindi na naman natutuloy kasi I met Sparkle at the time. I was chosen to be a part of Sparkada. That was my group. And then, for a long period of time, I had to wait. Wala akong projects. And that's when I was struggling. And that's when reality hit me that I'm independent na. I moved to the Philippines at 18. I grew up in a family, fortunately, that we were fortunate enough to have food on the table. Lagi kami kakain together. And siguro dito sa Pilipinas, did ko na-experience na mag-isa. So I would go home to myself eating, and then I couldn't share stories with anybody, and I couldn't tell anything about my day, and I wasn't used to that. Ang hirap din sa akin kasi it wasn't like I'm from here, I was based here, no way. Lumipit ako dito from scratch, and wala akong friends. Something, I really wished I had, because when I had Sparkada, I always see stuff like that as a family. Swerte yan, may ganyan. Kasi there's times na I really wanted this dream but as laking sacrifice was my family and my life in Canada. But sabi ko, one day this will be all worth it. Luckily, I was able to prove to the network naman that I deserved the show, and they gave me a break with one of my biggest shows, and I was so grateful for that. But when the balita, yung news na merong PBB this season, I really said yes to it because it was my biggest prayer when I started. Full circle moment for me because finally I'm here. I don't know how long I'll be here. I don't know how long this will last, but I'm already thankful kasi to you, all of you guys are my family, and thank you.
I'm just like him and he's just like me. Iba po yung connection now. Now I look at him like he's a brother.
Susunod,
My question is, bakit pa? Like, why? Why still give this a chance? What are you here for?
Pagbabahagi ni Michael, hindi napigilang maging emosyonal ng malapit niyang kaibigang si Mavi.
It's also hard on me. Dahil he's like a younger brother to me. Pero no bias to any of you guys. But siguro bilang kapuso with Michael and also being his kuya here. You know, so I know, I see it, yung struggle niya. Pero I'm happy he gets blessed with work, you know. So, when I saw that happening to him, of course, naging happy ako sa kanya. Pero, him accepting this, doon ako nagulat. So, yung tanong ko, my question is, bakit pa? Like, why? Why still give this a chance? What are you here for?
You know, before I answer that, Mav, I want to say thank you din to you kasi,
Don't say that.
guys, his family is like the closest to my heart. I mean, the twins, Cassie, Mavi, and Tito Sioren, and Tita Mina, grabe, they treat me like family, which, you know, as a boy here, kasi mama's boy ako, sinirap na talagang mag-isa, but they're looking out eh. And it takes a lot to trust someone, to even take on someone's swing. So thank you, man. Your family, I haven't even got to say it, but thank you guys. I appreciate that.
The question.
To answer, siguro, napadpad tayo dito dahil may dahilan. Lahat tayo may struggles, lahat tayo may challenges. And I think the beauty of it is that we're gonna learn from one another. No matter how long we stay here, short or long, may matutunan tayo sa isa. And ako, why I accepted this? Guess we're making history. And to be offered something like this is a blessing. And I don't want to turn down any blessing that's given to me. Just cherish every moment. Let's make this a special season and just spread love. Positivity, that's what we need. I love you, man.
Abangan bukas! Dad, ano ba problema mo? Sabi ko, umiga ka lang dyan. Tapos sabi niya, I want a picture. Nire-revive siya nang nire-revive, pero wala na. Ay, nako!
At ang isang task na babago nga ba sa samahan ng lahat?
Sa aking hudyat ay kailangan niyong igrupo ang inyong mga sarili base sa dami ng miyembro na aking sasabihin.
The house is sinking. Collab yourselves into two.
Ano nga kaya ang biggest twist ng edisyong ito?
Ngayon, oras na para matuklasan ninyo ang tunay na kahulugan ng collab sa edisyong ito.